One of the most meaningful parts of any funeral program is the photos. They tell the story, capture the personality, and help everyone remember the life that was lived. But what happens when the only photos you have are old, blurry, faded, or low quality? That's where AI can make a powerful difference. Welcome to the Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program site. Today we're going to walk through how you can use AI to enhance photos and turn them into beautiful, print-ready images for your funeral program. And I'll even give you simple prompts you can use right away. Let's start with one of the most common issues: blurry or low-resolution photos. If you're working with an older image that loses quality when enlarged, you can use a prompt like this. Enhance this blurry image by sharpening facial features and improving clarity. Reduce noise and restore fine details while keeping the photo natural and suitable for print. Another issue many families run into is faded or discolored photos. Over time, images can lose their warmth or shift in tone. In that case, try a prompt like, "Restore color in this old photograph. Correct color balance, improve contrast, and bring back natural skin tones while keeping the image realistic and respectful." You can use any of the popular AI platforms available today, such as ChatGPT, Gemini, or Grok AI, or whichever one you prefer, to help restore photos. My go-to is ChatGPT for photo restoration. You should be aware that there is a difference between the free and paid versions of these AI tools. For ChatGPT, the free version is great for basic fixes like improving brightness, sharpening slightly blurry images, or making small adjustments, but it does come with limits on how many images you can process and may not deliver the highest level of detail. With a paid subscription, you get access to more advanced image enhancement tools, better clarity, stronger face restoration, and the ability to refine your image multiple times until it looks just right. So while the free option works well for quick edits, the paid version is ideal when you want a more polished, high-quality result. You can also fix lighting problems. Sometimes a photo is too dark, too shadowed, or unevenly lit. A simple prompt can help correct that. Adjust lighting to brighten the subject's face and balance shadows. Improve exposure while maintaining natural tones and avoiding overexposure. If your photo has scratches, dust, or small imperfections, especially with scanned images, you can clean it up quickly using AI. For example, remove scratches, dust, and minor imperfections from this photo while preserving original details and keeping the image natural. And if you need to enlarge a photo for the front cover of your program, you'll want to upscale it properly. You can say, "Upscale this image to high resolution suitable for printing." Preserve detail and enhance clarity without making it look artificial. Now here's an important tip. No matter what tool you're using, always include wording like, "Keep it natural," and "Do not alter facial features." The goal isn't to change how someone looked, it's to present them clearly and respectfully. Also, try to start with the best quality photo you have. AI can enhance an image, but it can't completely fix one that's extremely damaged or too small. When you're finished, export the image in high resolution so it prints beautifully. A clean, well-prepared photo can make a huge difference in the overall look and feel of your funeral program. Using AI to enhance photos isn't just about technology, it's about preserving memories. It allows you to take something old or imperfect and turn it into a lasting tribute that truly honors your loved one. For more tips, tools, and professionally designed templates, visit the Funeral Program site. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video, drop a comment below, and let us know what you think or what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to the Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program site, for more helpful tips, ideas, and resources to guide you through meaningful planning and creative ways to honor your loved ones. Happy editing and thanks for watching. See you again next time. Take care and bye for now.